ekyantukako luli nakiraba bakuba amannyo ne bagajjamu bintu ebya struggle. I have come to fight for poor people. You see, I no longer have time for poor people in this country. Ne Yesu yabalekawo. I was beaten salary weru. Banku bawa na manyo ne bagawangula. Bintu ebyo bya struggle mbu ya removing a government. Which government are we removing? So jabali eyo bajeno balinda buyinza. You are just there. So those who want power continue. No, I'm not there. Nasigala kuba maloji. Nakwepikya Mwenge. Era tobere ononteka mbujoni y'abantu babona. Nze Yesu. Am I Jesus? Let people suffer. Am I Jesus? Nze nabagamba I can only now fight President 7 on only two things. Siya government yene gala amabala na amaloji. That's when I will go to the bush. If this government closes lodges and bars, I will fight. Nekati, why do I fight now? I'm looking for Nampera. So, don't include me in your struggles. Mugende mugeyena. Yesu yabaga mwena abazito wereddwa mugende jali. Kill yourselves. Uwabori ngo daladala antu bona. Wete. Just ogende wa Yesu. Carry all of your burdens to Christ. Net is a junior. Mbumbereko street. I'm fighting for you. Fighting for who ya? Nabivaako bankubadda. Nze naberanga mu kalulu nga ndikuwa Bobo Wine saliyo. Didn't I fight for you? Mulwano mwasamiridde. When they were beating me mwaliwa. When the government in that is yakola. If olaba akubanze. If they can beat me. Don't joke with these rebels. So I don't have any issue with the government. Afuge. After all, my father see Adako. Do you see Tamale Mirundi Senior that is next? Mfachi. Mbosimanya tujja kununula Uganda. Gwaine chapa cha Uganda nyoko ya China. Mudeo mwebu za amagezi. Mbosimanya we are freedom fight. Msiriwalire muri. Gandhi fight for your freedom. Tetukuyitangako. Nze bitu bya fusitwage byo Nabivaako dda. Abantu bakuba wano gwe Uganda amajega kuba. Bajja kumala kumenya magulu otegere who they are. So I'm now obedient. I'm an abiding citizen. So those who want power, go to the bush. Temutwasamira.